The future of motorcycling isn't just coming, it's arriving at full throttle. 2025 is set to unleash the most advanced, powerful, and breathtaking motorcycles we've ever seen. Whether you crave adrenaline-pumping speed, luxurious comfort, or cutting-edge technology, these 10 bikes will redefine your expectations. Stay with us till the very end, because the final bike on our list. It's an absolute game-changer. Let's dive in. 1. Ducati Panigale V4R 2025. We start with pure performance, the 2025 Ducati Panigale V4R. The legend returns with even more aggressive aerodynamics and a race-spec engine that pushes the limits of what a road-legal superbike can do. With over 230 horsepower and state-of-the-art electronics, it's engineered for those who refuse to settle. Imagine yourself gripping the handlebars, the engine roaring beneath you. You're not just riding, you're commanding a beast. And trust us, this is only the beginning. 2. Triumph Thruxton Final Edition 2025. From sheer speed, we shift gears to timeless style. Triumph bids farewell to the legendary Thruxton with a final edition that embodies everything a retro-modern bike should be. Gold-accented details, a perfectly tuned parallel twin engine, and a ride experience that connects you to the road like never before. This isn't just a bike, it's a statement of class and sophistication. But if you're looking for raw, unfiltered power, wait until you see what's next. 3. Yamaha YZF R9 2025. Yamaha enters the middleweight battle with the much-anticipated YZF R9. Inspired by the legendary R1 and powered by a CP3 engine, the R9 offers an insane power-to-weight ratio, corner-carving agility, and aggressive styling that screams speed. Whether you're hitting the canyons or the track, this bike is built for those who crave excitement. But what if you want a machine that dominates the highways? Buckle up, our next bike is built for the long haul. 4. BMW K1600 GT 2025. Long-distance touring has never felt this luxurious. The BMW K1600 GT is your first-class ticket to the open road, featuring a silky smooth 6-cylinder engine, adaptive ride technology, and an upgraded infotainment system. Picture yourself gliding down the coast, no worries, no limits, just you, the road, and endless adventure. But if you're more into electric power, we have something revolutionary up next. 5. Zero SR/X 2025. The electric revolution has arrived, and Zero is leading the charge. The SR/X blends futuristic design with a whisper-quiet yet blisteringly fast electric motor. With 200 miles of range and lightning-fast acceleration, it's proving that the future of speed doesn't have to burn fuel. But if you think that's impressive, wait until you see the next contender. It's built to conquer anything. 6. Honda Africa Twin 2025. Adventure riders, this one's for you. The 2025 Honda Africa Twin brings updated tech, lighter weight, and more torque for those off-the-grid adventures. Whether you're crossing deserts or tackling mountain passes, this bike is your ultimate escape vehicle. But what about an all-new cruiser? One that oozes American muscle? Keep watching, because what's next is pure attitude. 7. Harley-Davidson Low Rider ST 2025. Harley's taking performance cruising to the next level. The Low Rider ST combines a Milwaukee 8117 engine with a lightweight frame and aggressive styling. It's the perfect blend of tradition and modern muscle. But what if you want track-inspired engineering in a street-legal package? Get ready, because our next bike is engineered for dominance. 8. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R 2025. Kawasaki's latest Ninja ZX-6R is sharper, faster, and more agile than ever. With an updated inline-4 engine and MotoGP-inspired aerodynamics, this bike is built to leave competitors in the dust. But what if you want power and sophistication? The next bike delivers both, flawlessly. 9. Indian Pursuit Elite 2025. Indian motorcycles have redefined American luxury touring with the 2025 Pursuit Elite. Featuring an upgraded Power Plus engine, premium finishes, and high-tech comfort, this is the epitome of long-distance luxury. But before we reveal our final pick, take a deep breath, because this last bike, it changes everything. 10. Tesla Model M 2025. That's right, Tesla is shaking up the motorcycle world with the all-electric Model M. With instant torque, cutting-edge AI integration, and self-balancing technology, this bike is straight out of a sci-fi movie. Will this be the beginning of a new era in motorcycling? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure, the future of bikes has never been more thrilling. Which of these 2025 motorcycles excites you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more high-performance, luxury, and game-changing bikes, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. The best is yet to come, so stay tuned, and keep riding in style.